Rydym is the Centre for Integrative Semiconductor Materials. We're dedicated to advancing semiconductor technology and manufacturing. We're helping to bring large industry back to South Wales and acting as a hub for the collaboration of academia and industry. So Rydym is the newest building at Swansea University Bay campus. It's a £54 million investment from UKRI and the Welsh Government. It combines latest technology inside with innovative design on the outside. The latest innovation in clean energy technology, wind turbines, solar panels, and advanced energy monitoring and microgrid systems.
This is a state-of-the-art fabrication facility. State-of-the-art devices, state-of-the-art technologies. It houses equipment made in Wales, so we're developing a talent pipeline of skills, but not only theoretical skills, practical skills in our clean room environment.
The heart of Rydym is truly with its people. This building creates a community where all levels of industry and academia can come together. We're developing skills programs with our industry and civic partners.
We're not only innovating for our industry as it is today, we're researching and creating the technology that is the semiconductor sector of the future. Clean energy systems, efficient power electronics, and the use of semiconductors in advanced healthcare. At Rydym, we're focused on delivering a net zero future using semiconductor technology. We're also focused on bringing high-value, high-tech jobs to South Wales again.